Okay, let's dive into a simple blueprint for a stress-free school year.
Remember that feeling? The last-minute scrambles, the homework meltdowns? Yeah, you're not alone.
But here's the thing, it's rarely about ability. It's almost always about a lack of structure.
So, here's a proven 3-part framework that can bring back the calm and focus.
First up, the routine. The goal, move from parent-enforced to student-owned. It's a game changer.
It's simple, really. When students have some say in the rules, they're way more likely to follow them.
So how do you do it? Just follow these 4 simple steps to build it together. And these 4 things, they should be the non-negotiable foundation of any day.
All right, Pillar 2. This is all about escaping what we call the reactive loop.
This is that trap of only ever doing what's due tomorrow, which creates constant stress.
The key is understanding this. Homework is reactive, but real study is proactive. And the solution is pretty simple, a weekly planner where you make time for both.
And finally, Pillar 3, the physical recharge. This is where we link body and brain.
We've all heard it, right? I'm too tired. But that's actually a myth.
The reality is, movement actually wakes the brain up by increasing blood flow and focus.
And it doesn't take long. Just 20 to 30 minutes is enough to recharge. Here's a great rule. Make some kind of physical activity a must-do before screen time.
So, to recap, negotiate that routine, plan for proactive study, and use movement to re-energize.
Ready to get started? Here's how you can get your hands on that planner we mentioned.
Put these things in place now, and you can truly set them up for their best year yet.